Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to disable services Windows 11 for gaming performance. To get started, enter services in the search box. Open local services. First, select and double-click on the ActiveX installer service. Here in Startup Type, assign Disabled, click Apply and OK. After that, double-click on BitLocker Drive Encryption Service. Then in Startup Type, set it to Disabled. Click on Apply and OK. Then open the service called Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. After this, in Startup Type, use Disabled. Apply the changes. Then double-click on Bluetooth Support Service. In the Startup Type field, assign Disabled, click Apply and OK. Then double-click on the assigned Access Management Service. You are going to define Disabled in Startup Type. Save the changes. Now open the service called Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Here, click on Stop. After, in Startup Type, set to Disabled. Save the changes by clicking Apply and OK. The next service to open is Diagnostic Execution Service. In Startup Type, assign Disabled. Click Apply and OK. After this, double-click on Diagnostic Policy Service. Here in Startup Type, define Disabled. Apply the changes. The next service to open is Diagnostic Service Host. When you do this, the Startup Type is set to Disabled. Save the changes. After that, open Geolocation Service. Then click on Stop. After this, under Startup Type, select Disabled, click on Apply and OK. Now double-click on IP Helper. As before, in Startup Type, we will use Disabled. Click Apply and OK to save the change. Then double-click on the NetLogon service. Here, set the disabled value to Startup Type. Save changes to this service. The next service you will open is Optimize Drives. Then in the Startup Type field, click Disabled, click Apply and OK. After this, open the service called Phone Service. Defines Disabled in the Startup Type field. Click Apply and OK. After that, if you do not use a printer, double-click on Print Spooler. Then press Stop. When you do, under Startup Type, select Disabled. Select Apply and then OK. The next service to edit is Remote Desktop Configuration. In this service, set Startup Type to Disabled. Save the changes by clicking Apply and OK. After this, you must open the Remote Desktop Services User Mode Port Redirector. Like the previous ones, set startup type to disabled. Save this change by clicking Apply and OK. Then double-click on the sensor service. When you open it, it assigns disabled in startup type. Click Apply and OK. The next service you should open is the Smart Card service. Assign disabled in startup type. Apply these changes. Now open the Smart Card device enumeration service. Here on startup type, select disabled. Click on Apply and OK. After, double-click on Smart Card device removal policy. In this window on startup type, pulse on disabled. Click on Apply and OK. After this, double-click on Windows Biometric Service. You're going to select the disabled value in startup type. Save the changes by clicking Apply and OK. When you do this, open the service identified as Windows Error Reporting Ervis. Here, pull down the startup type options and choose Disabled. Click Apply and OK. Then double-click on the Work Folder service. As you have seen, in startup type, select Disabled. Apply the changes. The next service to open is Xbox Accessory Management Service. When opening its properties in startup type, it assigns Disabled. Click Apply and OK. After this, double-click on the Xbox Live Auth Manager service. Sets the disabled value to startup type. You can apply the changes. Finally, open the Xbox Live Game Save. Here, set disabled on startup type. Apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.